Hello guys, welcome sa aming vlog. And ako si Lance and this is my wife.
Sheila.
Excited kami to document our US journey. And for context, ito si Mrs. Siya yung USRN, meaning US Registered Nurse. So may pathway kaming mag-Amerika. And for those na hindi naman for sure, yung mga viewer dito is na mga migrating din or nasa Amerika na. For context, kung hindi lang alam yung pathway, kung ikaw ay isang USRN, yun, pwede kang maka-migrate, makalipad. Ano po sa amin, for the last 3 years kami naghihintay, our PD or priority date was May 2023. And as of filming, we are is June 24. So 3 years and naging current po nung January this year, 2026. So quite a wait. Mahaba po yung intay namin na 3 taon. Pero ito na, for context din, natapos na namin yung medical last April this year. Results were okay. Nagka-sputum lang si Mrs. na unting delay pero other than that, okay naman po. Ako din, okay naman yung medical. Then, yung interview namin sa embassy nung late May, anong katapos ng May. Thank you Lord na visa approved kami. So, iniintay na lang namin yung flight namin which is July 20. Yun lang po. Samahan niyo po kami sa aming journey and